Hello dear friends, welcome to Pharmaceutical Calculation series. Let's start with question number 6. So in this question they have given a prescription: sulfur 3%, salicylic acid 3%, white petrol atom, quantity sufficient to prepare 80 gram. Find out the amount of sulfur required to fill the above prescription. So in this question we need to find out the amount of sulfur. Okay, so from the question it is understood that sulfur is present in 3%. Okay, so 3% means 3 gram per 100 gram. So with this clue, we can calculate the amount of sulfur required to fill this prescription. So 3 gram is present in 100 gram. So what will be the quantity present in 80 gram? So let it be X. Okay, so therefore X is equal to, by simply cross multiplying, we will get it as 80 gram into 3 gram divided by 100 gram. Okay, so that it will be equal to 2.4 grams. Okay, so here the correct answer is option B, that is 2.4 gram. Question number 7. How many grams of dextrose are required to prepare 5% of 500 cc solution? Okay, so in the question they have given that 5%. 5% means 5 gram per 100 ml. And we need to find out the grams of dextrose required to prepare 5% of 500 cc solution. 500 cc means 500 ml. That is 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 ml. So 5% means 5 gram per 100 ml. So let it be X gram present in 500 ml of the solution. So therefore X is equal to, by cross multiplying we will get 500 ml into 5 gram divided by 100 ml. So that is equal to 25 grams of dextrose. So here the correct answer is option B, that is 25 gram. Question number 8. How much lidocaine is required to prepare 1:1000 30 cc of solution of lidocaine? So 1:1000 means 1 gram in 1000 cc of the solution, or 1 gram per 1000 ml of the solution. 30 cc means 30 ml. So the amount of lidocaine in 30 cc of 1:1000 solution can be calculated as follows. 1 gram is present in 1000 cc. So let it be X gram present in 30 cc or 30 ml. So therefore X is equal to, by cross multiplying we will get 30 cc. 30 cc means 30 cubic centimeter into 1 gram divided by 1000 cc. So that is equal to 0.03 gram. So in the options they have given the options in milligram. So we need to convert this gram into milligram. So 0.03 multiplied by 1000, we will get 30 milligram. So here the correct answer is option C, that is 30 milligram. Next question. How many milligrams are equal to 1 by 150 grain of nitroglycerin? So we know that 1 grain is equal to 65 milligrams. Therefore 1 by 150 grains are equal to, let it be Y milligram. By simply cross multiplying we will get 1 by 150 into 65. So that is equal to 0.43 milligrams. So here the correct answer is option D, that is 0.43 milligram. Question number 10. How much atropine is required to dispense 1 quart of 1 in 100 solution? 1 in 100 solution means 1 gram of drug in 100 cc of the solution. We need to find out how much atropine is required to dispense 1 quart of 1 in 100 solution. 1 quart means 960 cc or 960 ml. So 1 gram is present in 100 cc. So therefore let it be X gram present in 960 cc. Therefore X is equal to, by simply cross multiplying we will get 960 cc into 1 gram divided by 100 cc. That is equal to 9.6 gram atropine. Converting it into milligram by multiplying by 1000, we will get 9600 milligram. So here the correct answer is option D, that is 9600 milligram. With this question we have completed today's calculation series. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see in the upcoming session.